So I ordered a surf and turf, as you can see. Okay, y'all. So let's get into it. Don't mind the titties because you done seen titties before. Okay, you feel me? Listen, you know what we got. Okay, let me see. Ooh, look. Bitch. Ooh. Baby. I ain't gonna lie to you, this too far. Hold on. Ooh. Listen, 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 listen. Come on. You hear me? And now for me, a Bubba favorite. I'm sorry. Look. Do you hear me? Let's dip it in that butter. See, because y'all didn't know it came with butter and steak sauce, bitch. But let me go back because we didn't get to the corn. And it's kind of stuck between like the butter and the butter. The butter and the butter. The butter and the steak sauce. I'm kind of scared because this bitch hot. Okay, let's get into the grand finale, baby. Listen.
Wait, is that here?
No, baby. Let me dip that in that.
Wigs? The crab whips?
Yeah, baby.
Ooh, I don't want it. I don't want a crab. I'll weigh that.
Put a little butter on there, y'all.
Are you cereal? Put the peanut down.
Ooh, y'all. It's looking like Drake. Okay, y'all, this is my last. Not my last one, but it's the last one we're gonna record. With the lamb chops, with the, come on. Ooh. Ooh.